ALL-On-4 dental implants are a really great way to replace all your missing teeth if you have dentures or have been told that you will need dentures. Just like the name says, 4 to 6 implants are placed on your upper and lower jaw. After that, we construct a beautiful replacement set of teeth that then lock into these implants. These new teeth are very comfortable and are fixed inside your mouth and function very much like regular teeth. You'll still need to take care of these teeth and your implants though. This includes regular cleanings where we will remove the replacement teeth and clean the implants. ALL-On-4 dental implants are often the best, most comfortable treatments for patients missing all of their teeth in one or both of their jaws. If you're not happy with your denture or are concerned you may need a denture, please don't hesitate to give us a call and find out if ALL-On-4 dentures are right for you.